other than Ivy Laxina of 13 points, 11 attacks, and 2 blocks. Ivy, magpakita ka naman dyan. Ivy, nagkabanggaan kayo ni Sed. May I ask first, how are you doing? How are you feeling? Are you okay?
Okay naman po. Medyo na bingi lang ng konti. Pero okay naman po.
Happy to hear that you're okay. This is, of course, a 3-set win for you in the Akari Chargers. What did you do differently to finish so early for the first time in a while?
Siguro po, nagkaroon po lang po kami ng sarili, kung paano talaga kami gumalaw. So, para sabi din ni Coach Saka, respect sa kalaban talaga.
Ngayon, ang next nyong kalaban ay ang Signal HD Spikers. Both of you are undefeated in this group. Anong gagawin ng Akari Chargers para mag-prepare for the game?
Same pa din po. Lagi sinasabi ni Coach Saka, aral ulit, tapos gawin ulit namin kung ano yung nasa sistema para ready kami pag humarap kami sa
Ivy, alam ko madami kang babatiin. So, now is your chance to the camera. Go ahead.
Hello po sa family ko po na nasa Pampanga, kina daddy po, and kay mama ko po na nanonood ngayon. And sa Lapus family, and sa Kalpa, happy birthday po kay Sir Chris and kay Sir Russell. And hello po sa Chu family. And hello po sa mga tita ko and mga taga-LNW. And si Kimpoy daw po.
Thank you so much, Ivy. Congratulations to you and the Akari Chargers on your 3-set win. 7 Mela, let's close this out.
Thank you very much.